For the best medical and paramedical lectures, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay connected with us.
Hello everyone, myself Tony. Today we will learn about brucellosis. So let's begin. So first of all, we will learn about the definition. Brucellosis is a disease caused by a group of bacteria from the genus Brucella. These bacteria can infect both humans and animals. Brucellosis is often spread when people eat contaminated food, which can include raw meat and unpasteurized milk. So, this is one type of disease which can be spread through bacteria and it can infect both humans and animals. Okay, and the people who eat contaminated food, raw meat, and unpasteurized milk, then this disease can occur. So now let's see the population at risk. So first of all, it is occupational disease. So in that, uh, cattle ranchers, dairy farmers, veterinaries, workers, meat inspectors, lab workers. Then second, hunters, travelers, consumers, dairy products. These all are the population at risk. So let's see the sign and symptoms. The symptoms of brucellosis in humans are similar to having the flu. So the symptoms may include first is appetite loss, then back pain, then chills, lethargy, headache, pain in abdomen, pain in joints, fever that comes and goes, and weight loss. These all are the sign and symptoms, or we can say as clinical features of brucellosis. So now let's see the complication of brucellosis. So antibiotic will not always eliminate the bacteria that causes brucellosis. Your doctor may have to prescribe several drugs before the disease is fully treated. In some cases, the bacteria may remain despite treatment. So here all complication of brucellosis in that the antibiotics will not always work for this disease. It may occur several drugs which have prescribed by the doctor, and this is not sure that this treatment will be successful and it can be cured. So here are the some complication of brucellosis. So first is encephalitis, and it can be called as inflammation of the brain. Then second is lesions on the bones and joints. Then endocarditis, it is infection of the heart's inner lining. Then meningitis, so it is an inflammation of the membrane around your brain. So these all are the complication of the brucellosis when the treatment isn't successful. So now let's see the treatment and prevention of brucellosis. So it is usually treated with antibiotics. Your doctor may prescribe both rifampicin and doxycycline. You will need to take this medicine for at least 6 weeks. So these two may prescribed by the doctor, and it is antibiotic. And now let's see the complication of this disease. So same as further we have seen in complication of brucellosis. So first is encephalitis, lesions on the bones and joint, endocarditis, and meningitis. So now let's see how to prevent brucellosis. So it is preventable. To lower your chances of getting it, you are encouraged to avoid consuming raw meat or unpasteurized milk, cheese, and ice cream. Wear gloves and protective glasses when handling animals or animals' tissue. Then cover any open wound on your skin when coming in contact with animal blood. Wear protective clothes and gloves when helping animals give birth. So, these all are the things you should know and you should do to prevent the disease brucellosis. So, further is prevention and control. So, first is education about risk of transmission. So, to give education, farmers, veterinaries, butchers, consumers, hunter, workers, etc. Then, wear proper attire if dealing with infected tissue. We have discussed before gloves, masks, goggles, etc. Then, avoid consumption of raw dairy products, etc. So, that's it, guys. This is all about brucellosis, and I hope you all like this lecture. Please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more amazing lectures. Thank you so much for listening. We will be back with another lecture. Till then, be happy, stay home, stay safe.
Do like, leave a comment, and share with your friends.